write it down, 3-digit multiplication. This is the rule name. Okay. For the diagram, the same rule which we did earlier. Now we are going to discuss 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication. This is the rule name. We completed, then we can move. Completed. So you can see this here that this is the 2-digit number, and this is also a 2-digit number. The steps is what? Vertical, cross, vertical. So first you multiply this 2-digit, then you multiply this one, and then you do multiplication. So now I'm going to discuss 3-digit multiplication. So I'm taking this 3-digit. Suppose the number is ABC and XYZ. You can take any number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number you can take here. Okay. So for that, I'm writing the steps. I'm just creating a place. So this is a 3-digit multiplication. So what is the first step? The first step we are going to multiply vertically. The second step is what? Going to multiply this number into. So this is the second step. And the third step is this dot represents the number. Okay. What is the third step? Third step will look at this. We did last 2-digit, first 2-digit. Now we are going to do 3 digits. So this one is going to multiply with this one, the last with the last, and the center with center. So this is the third step. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Fourth step is what? Again, similar to the second step. But it will going to happen with the last 2 digits. I will explain you why it is going to happen. And the last is very easy. Again, 3 digit and last 2-digit multiplication. Now look at this. The first step and last step is almost same. Just we are doing this with the first 2 digits. Here we are going to do the last. Now look at the second digit and fourth digit. Fourth step, sorry. So here we are going to do first 2-digit multiplication, and here we are doing last 2-digit multiplication. So this is similar. This is the unique step. You already aware with all this kind of pattern. This is the unique pattern. Here we are going to do 3 steps in just one multiplication. Means we are going to multiply A into Z, X into C, and B into Y. Okay. And that is the reason you can see that A into Z, because this A will going to multiply with Z, AZ plus XC. So this X will going to multiply with this XC plus BY. Look at it. Clear? Just write down. I will take many examples so you will get understand easily. Write down like this. That will help you more. So now I'm going to discuss this problem. So you can see that this is the 3-digit number, and we are going to do the multiplication of this number using this step. The steps we have earlier discussed, like vertical, cross, cross vertical, cross, and vertical. So now tell me 4 into 8, 4 into 2?
8.
This 8. Now we are going to do this 2-digit completed. So now we are going to do this 2 multiply with this 3. So 2 3 is
6.
Plus. Now this number will going to start. Look, the first step what I did multiplication of 2 with 4. So 2 with 4 is completed. So now next number obviously will be 2 into 3, right? So next step we have a 6 plus. Now think little bit differently. I am trying to give you the main meaning of multiplication. Multiplication means what? Whatever the number you have to multiply each number with each other. That is the only concept. That is called multiplication. So if there is a 1, 2, 3 number, 4, 5, 6 number. So this 4 will going to multiply with this one, this one, this one, right? 5 is going to multiply with this one, this one, this one. In different steps, not in a single step, but it will going to multiply. So we already did 2 with 4. So 2 with 4 is complete. Here, 8. Now we are going to multiply 2 with 3. So 2 3 is
6.
Now we can do the next multiplication. We are going to start, because this is the second step. First step is completed. So in second step we are going to take next value. So this is the 1. So I am going to take 1. So now 1 will going to multiply with
4.
First number. Like we did 2 with 4. Similarly we are going to do 1 with 4. So now 1 into 4.
4.
So 3 and into 2 and 1 into 4. That is. So 6 plus 4 is
10.
So I am writing 0 and carry 1. Okay. So this is completed now. Now look at the next question. Look, I am not going to tell you that you have to remember this step. To forget, then still you can manage. But you have to understand the steps. That is the reason I am explaining you differently. If you have this picture in your mind, you can do it very easily. Just go here, here, and here. But I am telling you how you are doing this multiplication. Okay? Why we are going to do this kind of multiplication. That is the thing which I am explaining. So in the previous step, what I told, we have already done 2 into 4, 2 into 3. So what is the remaining with 2?
Uh,
This number,
2
right?
into 2 is 4.
Oh. Now 1 with 4 is completed in the last step. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
What is the next number? 1 into
3.
3 plus. Now, because this is a third step, we are doing the third. So we will going to initiate the third number. The third number will going to multiply which digit?
4.
4. Obviously, this will also start with the 4. So now tell me 3 4 ja.
12.
And that is the reason you will see that 2 will going to multiply with 2, 3 will going to multiply with 1, and 3 will going to multiply with 4. Got it? Why we
Yes.
are getting this picture? Very good. Now tell me the answer. 12 plus 3 plus 4, 19.
With the carryover.
Not carryover. 12 plus 4 is what?
16.
And 16 plus 3?
19.
Got it?
Okay. And then,
So,
and
so
then
now
carryover
19 plus 1 carryover. So 20, 0 is there, and now 2 is the carryover. Now look at this. Very interesting steps we are discussing. So we did 2 with 4, 2 with 3, 2 with 2. Do we have any multiplication left with 2? Any number? Always 2 will going to multiply with the top value, not in the below value. 2 will always going to multiply with 4, 3, 2 only. So do we have any number left now with multiplication of 2?
No.
No. We have already done this. So I'm not going to do this process now. So 2 is completed for me. Now I'm going to go with the 1. So 1 with 4 is completed. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 with 3.
Yes.
So now 1 with 2 is remaining. So I'm going to do 1 into 2. Tell me 1 into 2.
2.
That is the reason when we are in the fourth step, you will see this clause. Means, look at this number. That is the reason you did this multiplication. This number with this. Why? Because all the remaining numbers you have already done this. So now 1 will going to multiply with 2, and now 3 with 4 is done, right? In the previous step.
Now 3
So
with
now
3.
3 will, so 3 3 is 9. Now look at this. This cross is created now. So 3 plus 3, 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 plus 2 is
11.
11. 11 plus 2, 13. So this step is also completed. Now 1 is carry, delete it. Now look at this. Now this is completed. Now look at this. 1 with 2 is completed. It means 1 with 4, 1 with 3, 1 with 2 is also completed. So now what is the remaining value? Only 3. 3 means 3. We have already done 3 and 4. What we have to do now? 3 with
2.
2. 3 2 is 6 plus 1.
7.
7. So if you are going to follow this method which I explained you on this time, you don't have to follow this pattern because you know how we are getting this pattern.
Yes.
If you know how we are getting this pattern, you can do it easily. Now look at this explanation again. I'm telling you again. What is going to happen is you will going to multiply this number from this place to this place. Okay, from here to here. And similarly, it will look like you are going to multiply this number with the previous number. Now look at this. 2 with 4 completed 8. Now this number will go here and this number will start from here. Right? So always this number will going to move further and the second number will going to multiply with this like in this order. So after 2, this is the number. So after 2, this is the number will going to multiply. If this number is going to multiply with 3, this number will going to multiply with 4. This number is multiply with 2, this number is going to multiply with 3. Same here as well. If 1 is multiplying with 3, then 3 will going to multiply with 4. If 1 is multiplying with 2, 3 will going to multiply with 3. Now look at this, whatever I told you. 2 into 4, 8. Now what we are going to do? 2 with
3.
so 2 3 is
6.
6 plus this 1 I told you. Next value will going to multiply with the previous value of that number. So 1 into 4?
4.
So 6 plus 4, 10, carry over 1. Now 2 with 3 is completed, yes or no?
Yes.
So now 2 will going to multiply with?
2.
So 2 2 is 4 plus. Now 1 will going to multiply with this previous value because this is just the next value. So I'm going to multiply just next value. So 1 2 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Now this number will going to initiate and obviously this will going to start with 4 and now look at this. This is also satisfying the rule which I told you now.
Yes.
Next value of 1 is 3, so previous value of 3 is 4.
4.
So this 3 will going to multiply with
3 4 is 12.
In this way you got 20, 19 plus 1, 20.
Okay.
Got it? Now look at this. 2 with 2 is completed. So we are going to eliminate this because this position is already done. Now 1 with 2 will remaining. So 1 into 2 and 3 will going to multiply with the previous value. So 3 3 is 9. You got 13. And then 2 3 is 6 plus 1. Got it? Let's take this example. I'm going to explain this one as well. Tell me what is the first step?
4 fours are 16,
60. 1 carry. Now 4 5 are
20, and
20
3
plus
20 plus 12,
32 plus 1,
33.
33. This is completed now.
Yes, 3
3 is carrying. Now 4 will going to multiply with
6, and 2 we're gonna multiply with 4, and 3 we're gonna multiply with 5.
good. So
6
8
fours are
plus
24,
15.
8 plus 15.
So if you are going to add this, you will get 47. And 47 plus 3, 50. So now carry is 5. How I added correctly? I did 24 plus 15. So I know 39 because 4 plus 5 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 39. Now if you are going to add 8 here, so actually I added here 1. So this will become 40 and 40 plus 7 is 47. Okay?
Yeah.
And 3 was the carry, so this will become 50. So 0 is there, 5 is carry. Next
Next
step,
Next step, 3 6 are
18 plus
18, 18 plus 10, 28.
28 plus 5, 33. So now carry over is 3. Next step,
Next, 2 times 6, 12.
12.
12 plus 3 is 15.
Get it? Do this calculation. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1, 8. Do it now. You don't need to write down the steps if you understand the step. Just do the calculation and tell me the answer.
80,555.
Okay, let me check. 5 3 are 15, so correct. 1 carry. 3 3 are 9, 5 1 are 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14 plus 1 15. Correct. Carry over 1. 4 3 are 12, 5 2 are 10, 22 plus 3, 25 plus 10. 4 3 are 12, 2 5 are 10. 12 plus 10
22.
and 22, 3 into 1,
3.
25, 22 plus 3
25.
and 1 carry.
26.
Now carry over 2. Next step, 1 into 4, 4, 2 3 are 6. So 10, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2. You made a mistake in last 2 steps. This one is complete. So 4 1 are 4 and 3 2 are 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and you have a 2 carry. If you have a 1 carry still, this is not 0. And in the center, that the third step, you have to do this kind of multiplication. So 4 3 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 3 2 1. Clear? Now do the next question.
2 3s are 6 and 4 1s are 4.
2 3 are 6 and 4 1 are 4. So 6 plus 4, 10 and 2 carry. So 12. 5 3 4 2 1 2. Do it now.
113,208.
113,208. Okay. So the first digit is 2 4 are 8. So that is correct.
113,000. 13. 100.
This is correct.
No, sir. 113. Yes.
Now look at this. So 4 2 are 8 is correct. 3 2 are 6. 4 1 are 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Correct. 1 carry. 5 2 are 10. 2 4 are 8. 10 plus 8, 18. And 3 1 are 3. So 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Correct. 2 carry over. Next step, 5 1 are 5. 3 2 are 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. That is correct. And now 5 2 are 10 plus 1 is 11. Very good. In the similar example, if I am going to make the question like this, 5 4 2 multiply with 3 1. There is nothing here. So that is called as mixed digit multiplication. Mixed digit. Why mixed digit? Because this is a 3-digit number. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is a 2-digit number.
Sir, I think I know the steps. Can I tell? 2 1s are 2.
Okay.
Now 3 2s are 6. 4 1s are 4. 10, 0, and 1 carry over.
Next.
Now 0 2s are 0.
Hmm.
1 5s are 5. And 4
Hmm.
3s are 12.
Okay.
12 plus 5 uh, is 17.
17 plus carry 1.
18. 8 1
Okay.
carry over.
Mm-hmm.
0
Next.
0 times 4 0. 3 times 5 15. 5 1 carry over.
6 carry 1.
16. 6 there 1 carry over.
Hmm.
5 zeros. 0 1.
0 plus 1. So answer is 16802. Got it? In this way, you can do the multiplication of two-digit number. The both topic is completed, and
Yes.
this is the third actually mixed digit of multiplication. Here we took three-digit as well as two.
What is
Okay. Let me tell one more example. Then I will go into some of this top. So the number is 743, and you have to multiply 204, not 4, 201. Do it now.
149,343.
Oh, 149,000.
49,343.
Okay, very big number. I don't expect this kind of number. Let me check. 3 1s are 3, correct. 4 into 1 is 4, correct. Because this is become a 0. I don't have to do that. 7 into 1 is 7, and 2 into 3 is 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13, carry over 1. Now 7 into 0 is 0, 4 to the 8 plus 1 is 9, correct. 4, 7 to the 14. Very good.